I try to help out people without seeking any kind of appreciation or any other things in return. And it's of course our human nature to appreciate the help, even though not all of us show or display their appreciation explicitly. But today I'd like to talk about a time when someone explicitly appreciated me for my assistance. It happened about a few years ago, and my neighbor Ashik needed to leave the city for a few days in order to see his sick grandmother. To introduce Ashik, he could easily be considered as one of the nicest neighbors one could ever hope for, and he lived with his family a couple of blocks away from my house in the same neighborhood. Ashik used to own and run his own small super shop, which I used to visit almost every other day in order to buy different kinds of stuff. So we had a very warm relationship with each other. Thus, when he asked me to watch after his house for a few days, I just couldn't refuse. Ashik told me what exactly needed to be done, including picking up the newspapers from his front lawn every morning, helping his employees to open and close his super shop, and turning the lights on of his house during the evening. He also asked me to spend a couple of hours at his house every day, if possible, and keep the heater in his house turned on in order to keep his house warm. As you know, it was really cold at that time. Anyway, Ashik left the city after giving me the instruction, but when he came back after visiting his old and seriously ill grandmother, he didn't forget to thank me with a very big smile on his happy face. Even though I wasn't exactly looking for any kind of appreciation from my neighbor, I felt really great and useful after his word of appreciation. I also felt that a little token of appreciation for our good deeds from the people around us would take our relationship even further, a really long way.